Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Unbox with Alex Trinh, and in this episode of Unbox with Alex Trinh, we will be unboxing the DJI Neo Combo Bundle. So I got this from Amazon on sale for $219, $219 on sale from Amazon. Today we'll be unboxing this thing and checking this drone out, but before we do, let's go ahead and take a look around the box. So here it is. Here is the DJI Neo Combo Bundle. The Combo Bundle includes 2 extra batteries and a charge kit. Here's the DJI Neo itself. Really love the simple presentation from DJI. You can buy the standalone drone for $149, but I decided to spend an extra $70 to get the 2 extra batteries. So let's go ahead and take a look on the sides of the box. On this side of the box here, it just says DJI. On the other side of the box here, you will have to download the DJI Flight app, which is available from the Apple App Store and the Android store to operate this DJI Neo. Let's go ahead and take a look on the back side of the box. The back side of the box talks about what is included in the DJI Neo Combo Bundle. You have the DJI Neo, you have 3 batteries, a propeller guard, a charging hub for those batteries. You will also get an extra propellers, a screwdriver, and a cable, USB-C to USB-C cable, and a quick start guide. And here you can, here's the rest of the information about this product. And yeah, so with that being said, let's go ahead and unbox this thing. So we will start from here. Really love this pull tab, which is convenient. No need to bring out my trusty X-Acto knife. And once you open up the box, here is what we will get. So this is the first thing once you unbox this thing. And let's go ahead and remove the DJI Neo from the box. We'll take a look at that later. And let's go ahead and see what we have inside this compartment. This is going to include your charging hub along with 2 extra batteries. You will have a total of 3 batteries. The third battery must be already equipped in the DJI Neo. And the rest of the box, here you have your quick start guide and your USB-C to USB-C charging cable, and here you have your spare propellers in case you need to replace them. So yeah, so that is what you will get, and you also get a screwdriver to replace the propellers. And this does come with a DJI sticker and the quick start guide. And yeah, so that is what you will get inside the box for the DJI Neo Combo Bundle. So let's go ahead and take a look at the charging kit. I believe each battery lasts about 10 to 15 minutes. So you get 2 extra batteries. The third one is equipped on the DJI Neo. You can also use this as a charging hub. You can charge your phone if your battery is low on your phone. You can charge it using this, and you can charge it up. And yeah, so really recommend spending $70 more for the charging hub. So let's go ahead and take a look at the DJI Neo. All we have to do is remove this plastic packaging, and as you can tell, this is super light compared to the DJI Mini 4K that I have and unboxed. But here's a closer look at the DJI Neo. Here you have your propeller guards and the functions, the quick functions on your DJI Neo drone. And yeah, so here's where you will power it on. And let's go ahead and take a look on the sides. And this is very compact and light. Here's your USB-C charging port. And here's the front side. And you will have to remove this cover. And this DJI Neo shoots up to 4K 30. And yeah, so super excited to try this drone out. And let's go ahead and take a look on the bottom of the drone. Here is where you have your sensors and your third battery that comes with the combo bundle. So to remove the battery, all you have to do is press down this latch. But here's the USB-C port to charge this up. You can charge it up like that or use the charging hub. But yeah, so either way, you're good to go. So this is how you would remove it. Hold down, and here's your battery for the DJI Neo. And here's the rest of the DJI drone. And yeah, so that's pretty much about it. Let's go ahead and fly the DJI Neo. But before we do, let's go ahead and compare this to the DJI Mini 4K that I have. Both of these drones are entry-level drones, and for beginners such as myself. And as you can see, this is under 150 grams, no certification required. And you can see how big the DJI Mini 4K compared to how small the DJI Neo. If you put it side by side with the DJI Mini 4K, the arms extended. You don't have to extend anything from the DJI Mini, DJI Neo, that is. And yeah, so with that being said, let's finally test out this DJI Neo outside. So we are in Redondo Beach, California, and look at how beautiful the sunset is. And you will have to download the DJI Fly app, which also includes the controls, the same as the functions on the drone. Here you can see myself, and I am using my Apple iPhone 15 Pro Max to control the drone. You do not need one of those RC remote controllers. You can also launch this off from the palm of your hand, just with a tap a button on the drone. And here you can see me walking, and this is in tracking mode. Really love the huge functionality from the DJI Neo. And here is the drone itself. And you can also have the drone land in the hand of your palm. Pretty cool. And here's one of the functions. This is the orbit feature which circles around you. And here you have this top-down view function. And here we are in downtown LA. Let's try the launch function. And what a beautiful shot of downtown Los Angeles using the launch function. So that will do it for this episode of Unbox with Alex Trinh. Hopefully you enjoyed the unboxing of the DJI Neo, which has its significant use as being a selfie drone. If you like this video, please give this video a super huge thumbs up. Comment in the comment section below on what you think about this drone. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Be sure to check out my other YouTube content on this channel. And thank you for watching Unbox with Alex Trinh. I'll see you on next one.